How to fix Steam games not launching or not opening on Windows. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, in the search bar, search for run. Once you search for it, go ahead and type in steam colon flush config and then press OK. Doing that will clear your cache in your Steam. Once you do that, open up your Steam application, get logged into your account, tap on library. Then from here, go ahead and select the game that you're having trouble with, right click onto it, then tap on properties. Inside here, tap on installed files, then press on verify integrity of game files. Once that is done, the next step would be to go ahead and right click onto it, tap on manage, then from here tap on browse local files. Once you find the game, right click onto it, then tap on properties, then from here select compatibility, and inside compatibility you want to go ahead and tick on disable full screen optimization, then tick on run this program as an administrator. After that is done, tap on apply, then tap on OK. After that is done, see if the problem is fixed or not. If not, in the search bar, go ahead and search for device manager. Open it up. Inside device manager, go ahead and expand your display adapters. Right click on your graphic cards, then tap on update drivers. You can go ahead and simply tap on search automatically for drivers or browse my computer for drivers. And just like that, make sure the best driver for your device is installed. Once all of this is done, head back to your home screen. Then from here, restart your PC. Once you restart your PC, your problem will then get fixed. That's how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.